If you're not far away on holiday this August, we have some great projects for you to get stuck into this month. The latest video in our sensational sewing seminar series features Dion Swift, showing us that we should trust our senses and actually listen to the sounds of our sewing machines as we use different fabrics, thread and needles to create our projects. Mafanwi Hart is in the studio with her embellishing machine as she shows us a simple way to create these lovely flower brooches. We meet best-selling international novelist Tracy Chevalier, who learned to quilt just so she could write a quilting character in her novel The Last Runaway. Valerie Nesbitt was fortunate enough to interview Tracy and see the quilt she made whilst researching the book. Dion Swift returns with the fourth part of her Structural Stitches series, and this time she's showing us the remarkable effects you can create by sewing pleats on the bias. Jenny Raymond is into landscape creation this August, as she shows us how to produce these stunning pictures from nothing more than a selection of fabrics and a stitch and flip technique. And our Tip Thursday this month features Lucy Angles, showing us how to use the round dot lock stitch on her Janome sewing machine for creating beautiful quilted lines on your fabric. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our workshops, led by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.